Have you ever felt just so tired? You're trying to study for a big test, but your brain isn't working. Your head feels heavy and you try to go through the pages, but nothing works. But suddenly, out of nowhere comes Captain Caffeine. She hands you a drink and you look at it. Weirdly, what is that? You take a gulp and suddenly you feel energized. Captain Caffeine's drink has helped you. But how? As we stay awake for more time, more adenosine builds up inside of our body. Adenosine is an inhibitory neurotransmitter. It is basically a chemical messenger which slows down chemical messengers. This makes nerve activity slower, which makes us tired after adenosine binds with our brain. However, when we have caffeine, it tries to take the place of adenosine, and it works because it has a similar chemical structure to adenosine. So, it tricks your brain and slots into the binders of adenosine, giving you energy, and therefore that makes you less tired as there is no adenosine present in your body. Caffeine also helps stimulate neurotransmitters, which talk to each other's nerves and communicate with them, which stimulates the fight or flight response. This makes us more active. Also, caffeine stimulates adrenal glands to produce more adrenaline, which makes you happy and active. Did you know that caffeine affects people in different ways? For example, when my mom has caffeine, she can go to sleep anytime. Caffeine does not affect her. But when my dad has caffeine, he feels focused and energized and he can't sleep for a long time. But why? Well, it's because of DNA. DNA is a cell that makes us unique. For example, it makes a person with black hair different from a person with brown hair. So, after we ingest coffee, people with different DNA have different reactions. Some people have slow metabolism, which means that they process caffeine slowly and it takes a long time to feel caffeine effects. Other people have fast metabolism, which means it takes a short time to feel effects. Also, there's something called a sticky receptor, which basically means the adenosine receptor is sticky and the adenosine sticks to the receptor, so caffeine has no effects on the person. In this video, I have explained how caffeine affects our body and also how caffeine affects more people than others. But remember, Captain Caffeine's drink can sometimes be deadly, so have it in moderation. Thank you for listening.